Okay, so this is what we did last. We only did the Sanofi one. We did this because the Sanofi one are the ones that's negative.
Mm-hmm.
And
If they send us a negative
mhm,
per pay period amount, it needs to reflect negative on the year to date.
right, which what we did on the table 17 and 18.
Mm-hmm.
And we don't have to do this since we don't have to tweak our data.
Mhm.
So that's the okay. Now moving on this side. So this is where we're at. If the totals do not match, which they don't, run the following queries based on where the discrepancy is. Each of these will run two queries comparing what Sanofi sent to what we have on record. The result will need to be reviewed. Okay, so
Did you run that already? So
no,
run
not yet.
query. Oh, okay. Run query 10.
So go back to the access, right?
Mhm.
And the queries, which are other tables, and then 10, 11, and 12. We're doing, right? 10, 11, and 12, yeah.
Mhm.
So 10 would be here. Double click that.
And the queries right now. Yep. So maximize that. Maximize the pop-up. Okay. So basically, you have right now 15 employees that you're gonna need to update in Informaker. So basically, this is what Sanofi sent to us. We need to make sure that our system reflects this.
Okay.
So
This is the tweak.
this is the pros and cons of
Okay.
this. I don't know if you know this, but with Ceridian, sometimes they reset their year to date.
Mm-hmm.
We find out that they reset. So, for example, you have an FSC, right?
Yeah.
So from January through June, you've gotten like $300 deducted
Okay.
from your paycheck. So your year to date is $300.
Right.
But for some reason,
What?
Ceridian is saying that you've only received $15 deducted from your paycheck.
Okay.
We know, Mercer knows that that is incorrect for some reason. Ceridian is resetting their.
Why?
We don't know why. We try
That's
to figure.
gonna just set it off.
Yeah.
They keep doing that.
Yeah, we try to like deal with this last year, but this is like the best thing that we could do. So this is what happens. You are going into the Mercer system. You're gonna say yes. The year date is $15, right?
Why?
So that this can be reconciled.
Oh, but
Okay?
it's the wrong way.
When you do the FSA audit, you will then fix it back,
Oh,
saying that your year to date is $300.
So you're pretty much cheating on this side
Correct.
just to get past this,
Just to make it zero.
and then fix it.
Correct.
On the other one. Okay. Okay. So all of this 15 people needs to get fixed under.
Yep. What I would do is,
Informaker.
this is the SSN, move the SSN to where the per pay period amount is. Highlight it and then drag it. Highlight. So, yep, where the per pay period amount, I think it's 17. Or at least drag it to 10. Yep, and see if you can move it again. Alright, and then move it again.
Here, right?
Mhm. Okay.
Okay.
So 18 is the per pay period amount. 20 is the year to date amount.
Okay. And
Okay.
what's 17?
17, it just tells you if it's
Positive or negative.
they deducted, if it was a deducted or refunded.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is pay per period, and this is the year.
The year to date. Yep.
Okay.
Correct. So now you're gonna have to bring up the query. So if you scroll down, this is the query. Copy. Highlight and copy.
So this is the query from FSC. Okay. We'll fix and all this 15 people. Okay. Copy this. And then bring this.
So basically, you have to fix it in right here. So select star. So it tells you that the you can comment out this. Keep going. Comment out this whole line.
It's not the whole thing.
Nope, just the line. Comment out. Okay. So the per pay period code. See right here, per dead code. It needs to be FSA, HC, DC, or EM. So which is the first one that you're doing? I think you're doing the HC. Go to the access.
Okay.
This is, oh, I'm sorry, you're doing the DC FSA first. So it needs to reflect
How do you know I'm
FSA
doing this
DC.
first?
Right here, DC FSA.
Not
If
FSA?
if it was, they're both FSAs.
Yeah, I mean, if you do see here first.
Yeah, or just right here,
Okay.
DC.
Alright.
If it was HC, it would say
Oh,
HC.
gotcha.
If it was EM, it would say EM.
Okay.
So you need to make sure that the per dead code is the FSA DC.
This one, right?
Mhm.
Should be DC on per dead code. So go back. And just insert it here.
Mhm.
So I inserted it there. Just run
Mhm.
this.
And no, and then you can go line by line from the access, bring up their SSN, and then put in the SSN in the query. Mhm.
So this is the SSN.
Yep.
Copy this. Is it comma, right?
No, no comma. Everything was ready for you. You just have to run the query.
So, oh, one by one? You can put all the SSN one, everything?
No, 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 just one by one.
Oh.
Oh, trust me, you would not be able to do.
So run this one.
Mhm. So this is the DCFSA, right?
Right.
Pay close attention because the pay close attention to the effective dates. This is for
Effective date.
2013,
Okay.
right? We're not looking for 2013, so scroll down.
Please scroll down here.
You can scroll all the way down.
Okay,
That's fine.
so
So
14.
so right here is the so we're reconciling for pay cycle number 9, right?
Number 9, yeah.
All right. So this is the per pay period amount, 192.92. Check the data. Check access. What does it say? 192.92. Year to date is 1,157.52. Check to see if Informamaker has that. Yep, it does have it. Now put the flag. It's okay. Put the flag to yes, to Y.
This is because it's the same, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
Because
so
it's the same.
Date. Okay. So
Put
flag
the
is
flag it to Y.
flag to Y.
Excuse me.
What about the year to date?
The year to date, yeah, we checked it. It's
I mean
fine.
the paper.
Yep, we
Paper
checked that one.
period.
192.92.
192 is the same with this,
Uh huh.
and then it's the same with this.
Mhm.
Okay, so that's why you flagged it. Okay.
So what happens is it's telling us before it was telling us that it wasn't
Wait, this is
reconciled.
always at the bottom. You can always find this at the bottom.
Yeah, you can, but there are some instances where you have the row is not created, so you have to make sure that if you're reconciling 9, that you're looking for 9. If the 9 is not there, you're creating the row.
Okay, you're gonna have to create the row. That means you have to create the row. That's it. Okay.
Okay, and then save it.
Save the table here.
Save it right here. Save changes, and then go back to the query and put in the second SSN.
Second SSN, which is this one. 754, and then 32, so put Y, let's put balance here,
And save it.
and save this, save them, otherwise this one, third one, put it in here, and then run, third one would be
This is my nephew, by the way. He was born on Friday.
precious.
His name is Joshua.
Jut. That's how you call Joshua.
Oh, really?
Jut.
Jut?
Yeah.
His name is Jut.
Save that. That's the third one. Here's the fourth one. Fourth one, we have 192. So let's do 750 the same. So why don't you? It's, yeah. Sorry.
It's okay.
I go. I'm on a training WhatsApp. Huh? Well, obviously I did that this morning. Oh. Yeah. It's just, yeah. Yeah, I did try that. I opened it. I'll call you back. Alright? I'm just, call you back. Okay, so that was 192, and then we left 752. So that's, I did that Y, and then make it C.
Should we save it?
So now I'm going to number 5. Let's see. Um, 168.92, 168.96, 168.91. How about that?
Boom.
Oh no,
168.91. Yep.
Um,
683.96.
and it should be saying that. Here's the next one. So I have to do all this. So let me just save it. So